When you have a leak, it's important you act fast. Whether large or small, leaks can be very damaging to a property. The first thing you want to do anytime you suspect you have a leak is to investigate and try to identify the source of water. Try and follow the leak back to its source. For example, if you notice a leak anytime you run the shower, it's best to start looking there. Once you have identified the source of the leak, you now need to stop the flow of water. This can be accomplished a few ways. The first way is to use the shutoff valve to turn the water off at its source. Here are a few common examples of shutoff valves. Each style operates a little differently, but they all accomplish the same thing. To shut off the water. If you are unable to shut the water off at the source, you may need to turn off the water to the entire home. Main water shutoffs are commonly found in basements, crawl spaces, or utility closets. If you are unable to turn off the water to the home and are still struggling to stop the flow of water, try your best to use household items like tape, buckets, and rags to help slow down and contain the leak. Once you have been able to get the leak under control, clean up any water so that further damage to the home is prevented. At this point, it is best to submit a maintenance request and either call your landlord or designated contractor. Remember, when it comes to leaks, the quicker you act, the better. Best of luck.